Hello everyone, this is Carmelo from Chimera's Customs and Chimera's Comics with another action figure review. Today I have the Cosmic Spider-Man, or the Captain Universe Spider-Man, from the new Spider-Man Marvel Legends Infinite series featuring the build of Vulture Wings, which we'll talk about later. I'm super excited for this figure. I've been pumped for a Cosmic Spidey for a long time. I've wanted to customize one for a long time. And I thought I had my chance when I was looking at the Sandman Build-A-Figure wave, and it had that Captain Britain Spider-Man, or the British Union Jack Spider-Man, which is a cool, character design, but not a version of that character I'm familiar with. So I was happy to customize that one. It was the only figure that I wasn't planning to get, and I wanted to get it to complete the Sandman Build-A-Figure, because at that point, you're one arm away from an awesome, awesome Build-A-Figure, and we'll review that shortly. So I was going to get it, I was going to customize it, and then not only did they announce the Cosmic Spider-Man, but they used the British Spider-Man sculpt to make the Cosmic Spider-Man, so they did the thing I was going to do. All of which is to say I don't need to customize it, because this figure is great. Either the white plastic or a paint job on it that I'm not picking up gives this figure a pearl finish on most of it. Very nice touch. If it was just plain white, I definitely would have gone at it. But this kind of pearl finish makes me reluctant to touch it. And then that satin pearl finish contrasts nicely with the metallic blue that's over most of the figure. The paint apps on the round and this pattern that's around him are great. The flecks of stars all around him are great. And the face is very accurate to the comic book. I've checked. I was thinking about making the eyes bigger. Spider-Man has very narrow eyes when he wears this outfit, so I love it. It also comes with a head sculpt of me for some reason. Not really sure what that's about, but you can expect to see some little Carmelo customs soon. Looking forward to that. Even the hairstyle, I mean, holy crap. Seriously. If anybody makes a Carmelo Chimera custom action figure, let me know. I'd love to feature it. I guess I'll get into some complaints. This is the typical muscular superhero body sculpt, and it's a great sculpt that I've praised before. I won't go into again. Joints are real nice and tight. Quality control was real high on this. But for this particular figure, I am a little taken aback because I wish they could fly. The Toy Biz figures came with these kind of unnecessarily elaborate flying bases, but they worked. They did the job. And I still have like a butt ton of them, so I will be drilling a hole in his back and I will be making him fly. Also, Hasbro's been releasing the same like cosmic arm effect with a lot of figures. Polaris had it, Enchantress had it. There's a bunch of these. Why didn't they give it to this guy? The cool, cosmic energy bursts I think would have been really awesome. So we'll probably customize those as well, because I don't really care that much about either Polaris or the Enchantress, so if they lose accessories, that's fine. But this guy's going up on my awesome Spider-Man display. We'll show you sometime in a room tour. So anyways, that's it. I definitely would pick this figure up if you're a Spidey fan. But it is kind of a dated character, so if you haven't heard of him, you could probably pass on him. Thanks very much for watching. We have an awesome Spider-Man versus the Shocker fan film we'll link to in the comments. Nicholas, the other half of Chimera's Customs, has started his own YouTube channel, Nick's Picks, for all of our film projects. And my first original graphic novel, Magnificent, is coming out this fall. So like us, follow us, subscribe to stay up to date, and hopefully we'll keep giving you some good content. Thanks very much.